One of my hot favorite topics in my life so far has been how to become rich with the knowledge which I have gathered. I believe this should be openly talked. Welcome to Biotechnica. I'm sure you've already guessed by reading the title of this video. We're going to talk about the next billionaire and how it can come from data science. Now, at Biotechnica, our job is to watch the trends and follow them as long as they don't become the tradition of the industry. And we have been doing this for the last 20 years. We have predicted so many successful trends and it actually became the tradition of the industry. And today I'm here to tell you that the next billionaire in biotechnology will not come from generics, will not come from biopharmaceuticals, will come from data science. So in this video, first I would like to share a small incident which has happened in US and how it has an impact throughout the world and how you can model yourself around this small incident to become successful, earn a lot of money, but at the same time, create a lot of impact across the world. Today, I'm not here to say that, hey, do data science, you become a billionaire. No, I'm here to say that if you solve a problem which has always existed faster than others, then the whole world will pay you faster, okay? And that's the logic behind this video. So today I would like to talk first about a small incident. So Boston Children's Hospital, they have tied up with OpenAI and they have been doing a lot of research on rare diseases. So as you all know, every year, hundreds of millions of people suffer from rare diseases. I'm sure you have seen this on Instagram so many times. A Down syndrome, mother gave birth to a baby. So many such reels come and they go viral. But have you ever thought, what if we could cure that at source while they're still children? Then comes the diagnostics. People don't even know that they have a rare disease. So it takes 6 to 7 years to actually diagnose the real problem. In the middle of this, something revolutionary happened, and that is next-gen sequencing and whole genome sequencing. 50 years ago, it was difficult to isolate DNA. Today, it is difficult to read in this huge pile of DNA data, because of which particular mutation or aberration this problem is happening. Whole genome sequencing is creating millions of data points, but human experts cannot read every paper and analyze every genetic variant. It's humanly impossible. The amount of data which is getting generated because next-gen sequencing, whole genome sequencing has become so cheap that data points are there, but we can't read through. It's like we have Google, but can we read through every article which Google indexes in their search results? No, we can't, right? It's humanly impossible. AI is dramatically reducing the search space by identifying the most likely disease-causing gene. That is a game changer. Having said that, human geneticists can then validate this AI-generated output and say, okay, this is what has happened. 376 cases Boston Children's Hospital has used AI and it has helped uncover 18 new rare diseases, and that has remained unsolved for years. For last several years, we didn't even knew that these new rare diseases exist, but they existed. But using AI, they could do it. Now, the biggest takeaway from this small incident is collecting DNA was difficult back then. 50 years ago, it was very difficult to collect DNA. Today, understanding DNA is difficult. But tomorrow, the generation of tomorrow, that is you will be using AI to perform most of all this understanding. This can be done only by people who know biology and people who know data science. How exactly data science is going to make you rich? Let us understand that first. Now, every experiment in biology today, back then it was we were all playing with chemicals in the lab and organisms, and we were very happy. Okay, but now as of today, every experiment is generating data. Genome sequences, RNA sequencing, proteomics, imaging, single cell data, clinical data, health records. All of this is coming at the same time. It is very difficult to extract insights. AI can help you extract it. AI can build the hypothesis, but verification has to be done by humans. So the future job will belong to someone who can combine biology with data science. But you cannot get rich that way. You can get rich when you solve a bigger problem using AI and data science and create that as an independent solution which you sell to hospitals, sell to biotech companies, sell to research institutes, and everybody has to buy from you. So you can probably create a software or analytics tool or a data science based solution which does that. And that is where you learn turn the next billion. So the next billionaire, the next crorepati in biotechnology will not come from biopharmaceuticals, biosimilars. They will come from data science. Data is not just the new oil, it's the only oil now in biology. Now, what exactly is going to help you is, see, the previous generation has no understanding, zero understanding of data science. And among the next generation also, only the serious guys would be watching my video. Okay, people who just want the next 20,000 job, they will just be happy with whatever they're doing. But you're watching till this point because you want to be that, right? So how biotechnology combined with data science is going to make you rich? Because now you are not going to say this problem that, okay, learn Python. That doesn't solve the problem. You have to look at how learning data science solves $1 million biological problem. This reminds me of a story. I had an employee 15 years ago. She was working with us and she was a PhD. And then she left Biotechnology. I said, why are you leaving? Because you're a very good employee. She said, I want to solve a biological problem, that is dengue. I want to create a dengue vaccine. Fast forward, she went to Korea, then US. She joined Takeda and she was in the same group which actually worked on the dengue vaccine, which has come up recently. So you can see dreams and vision, when pursued, they actually lead to results. Now, how the next $1 billion money can come to you if you solve any of these problems which I'm about to tell you. Like she solved dengue, now let's solve cancer. Number one, the biggest problem the world faces is cancer. Cancer drug discovery is where the money is. Number one. Number two, aging. Anti-aging research. You can use AI, ML, data science in that. Number three, AI-based diagnostics. Number four, protein engineering. Number five, genomics. Number six, precision medicine. Digital pathology. That's number seven. Number eight, clinical AI. Number nine, drug target identification. Number 10, biomarker discovery. Number 11, synthetic biology. Number 12, computational chemistry. Now, industries are attracting billions of dollars while they're working on any of these. If you learn data science and you already have a biological degree, you become ready to become a data scientist, right? Now, the question is, how do you become a data scientist? Do you need another degree? No. Whatever you have studied, on the top of it, you have to take help of Biotechnica to become a data scientist. Now, we have a project-based training program, and this is in collaboration with American US-based company called as Jenny.ai, and it will help you in your research as well as we have the drug discovery part with Boltzmann. You will not just do a hands-on training and get a letter that, okay, you know it. You will actually become a data scientist because you will work with Biotechnica CRO. You will actually be developing solutions for the world on cancer, on dengue, on anti-aging. You'll be working with us. You'll be doing projects. Now, the projects can be 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months, depending on your goal. If your goal is to publish a paper, go for the 12 months. If you're looking for just as a dissertation, go for 6 months. And if you just want to test the waters, go for 3 months. Now, this particular Training Plus project is starting from 31st of August 2026, and this is going to be the last data science project which Biotechnica CRO will conduct. So that means after this, you'll only meet it in March of 2027. This is a mentor-guided, industry-aligned project focused on developing you as a data scientist, which will enhance your employability. Now, that means the moment I say enhance your employability, which kind of companies you will get jobs in, what kind of companies you can start to, give jobs. Let us start with the first one, like I told you, drug discovery. The biggest money magnet in biotech research is drug discovery. The second will be pharmaceutical R&D. You can work as a bioinformatician, clinical genomics, you can work precision medicine, healthcare AI, biotechnology startups, you can work CROs like Biotechnica CRO, you can work with global pharma, GCCs, AI research labs like Aganitha, you can work. Look at this. Look at the transition. Your professors, your previous generation, 20 years ago, they were biology students who competed for laboratory jobs, okay? But today's biology graduates and postgraduates have to compete for data jobs. And tomorrow, the biology graduates will be completely working with AI into new industries, and they will be shaping the new industries. The old way of doing things was collect samples, run experiments, write down the observation. Not anymore. Modern biology has changed. Today in the lab, you'll be generating data. AI will analyze the millions of possibilities. And as a scientist, you will validate the discoveries. And that is how you will discover new drugs or come up with new precision medicine therapies and a lot others. Now, let me share some very quick statistics with you. Any drug disease, rare disease or anti-aging or anything, it requires 6 to 7 years to analyze, 6 to 7 years to come to a conclusion. What if you could make it fast and make it 7 days? Now that solution you sell to the world. 376 different cases were analyzed in Boston Children's Hospital with the help of OpenAI, and 18 previously not known, undiagnosed rare diseases were identified in these individuals, right? Imagine, you will not just be making money, but you will save millions of lives. Your data science expertise will help doctors analyze millions of genomic variants. Then they'll be able to conclude faster that, okay, this particular patient has this particular disease. Thousands of disease-linked disease gene discoveries will appear over time. You have two options today. Either you jump in and become the champion of data science, become a data scientist, or watch videos from the sideline and comment, and nothing happens. Biology is no longer just about microscopes. That era is gone. Sorry. If you are still with the microscopes, that's not where you belong. Biology is becoming a world of data, a country or a continent of data. World's largest data industries is going to be biotechnology. So as a person who combines biology with artificial intelligence, machine learning, Python, bioinformatics, and data sciences, you will never go out of fashion. You will build the next medicine, next diagnostics, and the next biotechnology company where I will proudly say that, see, this is my subscriber who built the company. The richest opportunities come to those who can think, who can visualize, who can dream, and then take actions to achieve. The first step would be click the link in the comment section. Join us. Become a data scientist, practice data science, do projects, publish papers, get a job, get your hands dirty, and then start your own company, sell to the world and become a billionaire. Jeff Bezos was early in the internet era. Uber was early in the GPS smartphone era. Apple created its own market using Apple iPhone. Now it's your turn. You are going to do that. You have to create the next revolution in biotechnology, and Biotechnica will support you. Come meet me in Bengaluru, or we can always meet through WhatsApp. There is a WhatsApp link also. You can chat with me and our scientists and understand how data science can enhance your career prospects. So I'll see you soon as a billionaire data scientist very soon. But for that, you have to take action. All the best.